Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Calbiotech double standard DNA ELISA Kit. You can see this is the top view of the pack. It comes up with a brand name Calbiotech. I'm just going to show you the side view. Over here you also find the brand name Calbiotech. Here you can see the details of product details. It is double standard DNA IgG ELISA Kit and comes up with a reference number of DD037G, and this has a 2 years of standard expiry. This is a 96 well plate. It should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature. Over here you can find the package content detail, what are the pack present inside. It comes up with a coated well plate, control or standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer, stop solution, substrate and certificate of analysis of all the compounds. This is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can find the manufacturing details. I'm just going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can find the instruction manual for double standard DNA IgG ELISA Kit. It comes up with an explanation and material and storage details. You can see what are the information present. Just going to place this aside. After that you can see the certification of analysis for all the product present inside the box. This is the certificate of analysis. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see the 96 well plate coated with double standard DNA antigen. It comes up with a reference number of DD112AG. You can find the brand name Calbiotech over here. I'm just going to place this aside. After that you can see TMB substrate of 12 ml. I'm just going to place this aside. Double standard DNA enzyme conjugate of 12 ml. Sample diluent of 25 ml. It comes up with 2 sample diluents. And a stop solution of 12 ml. And a wash concentrate 20x or 25 ml. This is double standard calibrator of 0.25 ml. This is double standard negative control and positive control, each of 0.25 ml. These are the content present inside. To summarize it, double standard DNA IgG ELISA Kit comes up with an instruction manual, a 96 coated well plate with double standard DNA antigen, and certificate of analysis for all the product present inside, and wash concentration of 20x, stop solution, 2 sample diluent, 1 double standard DNA enzyme conjugate, 1 TMB substrate, 1 double standard DNA calibrator, and double standard DNA negative and positive control. These are the content present inside. Thank you.